Let's now go to inquiring. Let's discuss postpartum symptoms. For the main postpartum symptoms, the retention of afterbirth is accompanied by profuse vaginal bleeding or light colored blood, shortness of breath, and weakness. It is due to deficient chi being unable to expel the afterbirth. If there is also a little vaginal bleeding with dark red blood containing pieces and the abdomen is cold and painful, it is due to the cold evil congealing blood and causing stasis. Persistent lochia, it is persistence of postpartum vaginal discharge for longer than 20 days. If the lochia is persistent, large in amount, light in color and thin in texture, and is accompanied by a yellow complexion, fatigue, and weakness, the cause is deficient qi, trapped below and unable to ascend and consolidate. If the amount of lochia is large, its color red and its texture thick, and is accompanied by a red complexion, thirst, red urine, and a red tongue, the cause is heat in blood, causing blood to course erratically. If the lochia is dark purple, contains pieces of matter, and is accompanied by stabbing pain in the lower abdomen with guarding, and a tongue that is blue or has purpuric spots, the cause is blood stasis in interior. For puerperal fever, mild fever during the first day or two following delivery is normal. But if the fever persists or is high, it is puerperal fever. Puerperal fever accompanied by cold intolerance, head and body aches, and a floating pulse is due to exogenous pathogenic evil. Mild peripheral fever, accompanied by dizziness, blurred vision, palpitation of the heart, shortness of breath, dry feces and constipation is due to blood deficiency, giving rise to endogenous dryness and heat. High peripheral fever, accompanied by agitation, strong thirst with preference for cold drinks, constipation, red urine, a red tongue with yellow coating, and a rapid and forceful pulse is due to strong fire heat in the interior. For postpartum convulsion, the principal causes include postpartum blood deficiency, so that the sinews lose their nourishment, exogenous wind cold, which causes spasms in the sinews, and the strong heat generating liver wind. When caused by blood deficiency, there are also dizziness, palpitation of the heart, a lusterless complexion, a pale tongue, and a feeble pulse. When caused by exogenous factors, there are also fever, cold intolerance, and a floating and tight pulse. When caused by strong heat, there are also fever, a red tongue with yellow coating, and a rapid pulse. And for postpartum constipation, this is mostly due to excessive loss of blood with blood and fluid insufficiency and the intestines losing their nourishment. Constipation with sallow complexion and a pale tongue and a thread-like and feeble pulse is due to blood insufficiency. Constipation with a flushed complexion, dry mouth and throat, a red tongue with little coating, and a thread-like and rapid pulse is due to yin deficiency. Thank you for your attention.